Minecraft just added a feature that feels like something we've all wanted since we were kids. You can now sit on cushions. They're crafted using 3 wool slabs, and cushions can be placed almost anywhere and let you actually sit down. This makes builds like cozy cottages, castles, and taverns finally feel complete. Not just that, but another huge addition was the straw bed. It's made from 3 hay bales, and you get 4 disposable beds that let you skip the night without changing your spawn point. They're perfect for early survival adventures, but disappear after one use. The abandoned camps introduced in earlier snapshots have also been updated with cushions and straw beds, making them feel much more lived in. Mojang also fixed a ton of generation issues, including broken camp decorations, mushroom generation, and ore placement. There's been plenty of visual improvements as well, including light fixes, multiplayer skin fixes, UI improvements, and even support for the Gothic language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.